How to use hashtag to go viral. Do you know that you can use hashtag to go viral on this YouTube? Yes, you can use hashtag to go viral. So in today's video, we are going to be discussing on how you can use hashtag to go viral. Okay, if this is the video that you would love to watch, please stay back and watch the video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do after you have finished uploading your video is, after you have finished uploading your video, as you are uploading it, if you go to that place they wrote description, you are going to be making use of hashtag that is related to the video that you are uploading. Let's take for instance, if you are teaching people how to do makeup on this YouTube space, okay, you know, when you finish filming your video, when you finish making your video, you are going to be using hashtag like how to do makeup, how to apply your, how to do your eyebrow, how to apply your eyeliner, how to makeup tutorial. Just use hashtag that is related to that particular video that you are making. So when people now use the hashtag to search for videos, your video will be among the videos that will pop up on YouTube, and they can see your video through that. Okay, so using hashtag to upload a video is very important. It will help people to find your video. Let's take for instance, for some people that are into all these spiritual tips, all this spiritual teaching, if you finish uploading your video, you can use spiritual tips, spiritual teaching, spiritual this, spiritual that, know your dreams, all those stuffs. When someone click on a hashtag that is talking about dreams and meaning, your video will be among the videos that will pop up, and the person might like to click your own video. Okay, the person might click your own video, and by clicking on your video, you have gotten 1 views. And if the person watch that video and the person is very interested in what you are doing, the person might even subscribe to your YouTube channel. Okay, so using hashtag will help you to go viral. Yes, using hashtag will help you to go viral, because when people search on the hashtag that you use, your video will be among the videos that will pop up, and they will click on your video to watch. Okay, so the second thing that you need to do after you finish creating your content is, when you write the title of your video, when you write the title of your video, you can use that title and go to your WhatsApp, normal WhatsApp. This one is not business WhatsApp, normal WhatsApp. Go to your WhatsApp, use your WhatsApp AI, write that title that you write down the title of your video in that your WhatsApp AI, and ask the AI to generate a hashtag that will suit that video for you. Let's take for some people that are into lifestyle vlog, maybe when you finish filming your daily lifestyle, you don't know the hashtag you are going to use. You don't know the hashtag that you're going to use that will help you to go viral. You don't know the hashtag that you're going to use that will suit that particular video that you filmed that day. What you're going to be doing is, when you finish making your title, copy that your title, go to your WhatsApp, use WhatsApp AI, put down that title and ask the WhatsApp AI to generate a hashtag that will suit that particular title of that your video. Okay, so that WhatsApp AI will now help you to generate the hashtag that you're going to be using for that particular video. So when the WhatsApp AI finish generating that hashtag for you, the hashtag that you are going to be using for that your video, you now copy it from that WhatsApp, AI, then go to your creator studio, paste it in your creator studio, then add it in a normal way that it will appear as a hashtag. And you're going to see that when people click on that hashtag, when people search with that hashtag, your video will be among the videos that will pop up in YouTube. Okay, so I hope you find this video interesting. Please, if this video makes sense to you, please do me a favor by sharing the video. It might help someone that you don't know. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and I would love to see you in another video.